exploring the usage patterns of antiplatelet agents in cardiac patients. This important article is authored by the following scientists: the study conducted a cross-sectional observational analysis to evaluate the pattern of antiplatelet drug utilization among cardiovascular disease patients and to determine the prevalence of polypharmacy and its responsible factors such as age, gender, comorbid condition, and patient-related drug use problems. A total of 150 patients were enrolled in the study, with 79% male and 21% female. The majority of patients belonged to the 51 to 60 age group, and patients diagnosed with IWMI, 43.3%, had the highest prescribed antiplatelet agents. Smoking, 54.7%, and alcohol, 26.7%, were found to be the most dominant risk factors. The study found that 60.7% of patients had no comorbidity, while 31.3% had a comorbid cardiac condition. The most commonly prescribed antiplatelet agents were monotherapy of aspirin, 28.8%, clopidogrel, 16.7%, and combination therapy of both, 51.2%. The study concluded that an increase in the number of comorbidities can significantly increase drug utilization, which can further lead to drug use problems. Clinical pharmacists can play a crucial role in alleviating polypharmacy problems and their consequences. Overall, the study provides valuable insights into the antiplatelet drug utilization pattern among cardiovascular disease patients and highlights the importance of clinical pharmacists in addressing polypharmacy problems. Cardiovascular disease is a prominent cause of death in India, with ischemic heart disease and stroke accounting for more than 80% of CVD deaths. CVD caused approximately a quarter of all fatalities in India in 2010, and the CVD premature mortality ratio grew by 59% between 1990 and 2010. This underscores the critical need for CVD prevention and treatment efforts in India. Acute coronary syndrome, also known as CVD, is one of the primary causes of death and morbidity worldwide. Scent elevation myocardial infarction, non-scent elevation myocardial infraction, or unstable angina are all symptoms of acute coronary syndrome. Drug utilization evaluation studies can disclose the level to which medicines are consumed, however, they may not provide precise information about irrational use. Qualitative research can aid in understanding the motivations of medical personnel and patients. These studies, however, may not provide a thorough knowledge of irrational usage, which can include poor medication selection, inaccurate dosages, prescription medications that may cause adverse reactions or interactions, and the use of expensive drugs when less expensive options are available. Antiplatelets are blood-clotting drugs that are particularly successful in lowering the chance of developing cardiac abnormalities such as coronary artery disease, heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral artery disease. Antiplatelet medications such as aspirin and clopidogrel are widely utilized. Despite the widespread usage of antiplatelets in India, there has been little research into their patterns of use and patient-related drug use issues in cardiac patients. The purpose of this study is to assess the use of antiplatelets and look at drug-related issues among cardiology patients in Gujarat, India. The use of numerous medications, known as polypharmacy, can raise the risk of adverse drug reactions, drug interactions, and prescription non-adherence. The possibility of polypharmacy and associated drug use problems grows as the number of comorbidities increases. clinical chemists play an important role in reducing the hazards of polypharmacy by collaborating with healthcare providers and patients to optimize prescription regimens, monitor for adverse drug responses, and promote medication adherence. Their participation can help to reduce the occurrence of drug-related issues and enhance patient outcomes. To address the growing burden of polypharmacy and its implications, healthcare systems should consider integrating clinical chemists as members of the healthcare team. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.